National Language Testing System powered by IDP. Okay, to assess the level of candidate, my name is Manpreet Singh. I'm here to conduct the speaking of 111 123. Okay, so what is your full name?
My full name is Anchal Legal.
Okay, so how may I call you?
You may call me by my first name, Anchal.
Okay, so tell me about your studies.
Recently I have completed my senior secondary education and now I pursue my English language class for my further studies.
Okay, what is your future goal?
My future goal is to go abroad for my further studies so that I can fulfill my parents' dream.
Okay. Okay, describe your hometown.
I am from Machhiwada. It is a little town which is near Ludhiana and it is a religious city.
Okay, how different is your hometown compared to other cities?
My hometown is different to other cities because as it is traditional, so there are many Sikh temples situated there and many people came from different places to visit there.
Okay, do you want to see any kind of improvement in your hometown?
As I think all the things are well and good, so I do not think there should be any improvements to be done in my hometown.
Okay, now let's talk about money.
Yes.
Okay, what is the importance of money in your life?
Money is very important in my life as we can buy the essential necessities for ourselves by money. Without money the person is of no value because does not buy any commodity or the necessities of life without money.
Okay, do you like to save money as well?
Yes, I like to save money because saving is very good and I think it creates indispensable part in every person's part of life, and saving money also helps in difficult situations to us.
So why parents give money to their children every week? Why parents give money to their children every week?
Parents give money to their children every week so that they came to know about how to spend money and how they can save the money.
Okay. So how do you feel when you don't have enough money to buy something that you really want?
I felt very bad and I think that I could save money at that time when I spent it without any need. So I think saving is the most important for me.
Okay. So now I will ask you some more questions about mobile phones. Okay. Do you like using mobile phones?
Yes, I like using mobile phones in my leisure time, so, and I can enhance my knowledge in different fields because different type of apps are available on mobile phones.
Okay, can you describe your first mobile phone?
My first mobile phone is Android one and I also have that one with me now, and that was very good and I like it very much because all things are easily available in that mobile phone.
Okay, would you like to buy any new mobile phone in future?
Yes, I like to buy a new mobile phone of Apple because it was very good and it has many new features in it, so that's why I want to buy that one.
Okay, how mobile phones change your life?
Mobile phones changed my life because of many amenities in it, and it has many changes due to the changes in technology as new features are developing in all the mobile phones, and it changes my life also because it helps me to enhance my knowledge in different fields and I came to know about the new things that are developing in the nearby towns.
Okay, so what are the disadvantages of using mobile phones?
As the picture is not as rosy as it is painted because it has demerits also, like mobile phones are overuse of mobile phones may also lead to many problems to the children as it may lose the vision of the children because overuse of it may cause many problems or diseases to the children, like obesity is increasing.
Okay, this is the end of section 1. Okay, now it's time for your cue card topic. This is your cue card topic. You have 1 minute to look at it and make notes.
May I know what kind of books you like to read in your spare time?
I like to read books regarding my as my project like in my hometown, like in my
Okay, so being guest of for the first section. Now it's time to discuss the second part of the IELTS speaking test. In this section, you will be given one printed cue card and you will have one record notes and definitions. If you want to make some notes and definitions, you can print pencil on the table, and today your topic is this one, number 7, and your time starts now. Okay, could you please start now?
I have to solve the next, and there are various articles which are
Okay, are you ready? Okay, start.
As I have noticed many times group of people smiling, but today I want to share one memory with you that was in the place Sivan Garden, and at that time my parents and my whole family arranged a small surprise party for me on my birthday, and I did not know anything about it, and my reaction was very fascinating at that time because I feel very happy at that time, and I does not remember all the things that are going to happen at that, and this was most fascinating moment for me because I did not know anything about that, and I think it was very attracting for all the people when I see them smiling, and my parents and whole family arranged a small party for me, and it was all about my brother's plan, and he know all the things about me very well, and he liked that, and he knows that I felt very good whenever something is arranged for me, especially as a surprise. And my brother gave idea to my whole family members to arrange a party, and they arrange a party for me, and all the things were very good at that time, and my brother and my father gifted me new mobile phone at that time, and I liked that mobile phone very much, and it was the first mobile phone for me at that time because at that time I recently completed my senior secondary education, so I got very good results of that also, so they gifted me that new phone, and it seems to be very good for me, and I feel very happy at that moment because all the people were smiling, and I also felt smile at that time as they felt very good for me as well as I also felt very good at that time.
Okay, so what are the most common things that make people smile?
Most common things that people make smile, as it depends upon the situation. When people smile, something they smile when something good is happen, or any good occasion or any festival, people mostly feel smile.
Okay, do you think people who smile are more friendly?
Yes, people who smile are more friendly because they are humble in nature, and also they are not narrow-minded, and they are more friendly because they can easily share all the things with another people, and they are good at making decisions also.
Okay, why do you think certain jobs require you to smile?
Certain jobs are required due to smile because smiling is most important part in every person's part of life, and smiling always keeps good impression on the person who is in front of them, and that's why smiling is very best for all the people.
Okay, why do you think the smiling pose is so common in photos?
Smiling poses is common in photographs because people smile at that time to remark the memories, so that they can even see that memories in photographs in future also.
Okay, how do you feel when children smile?
I feel very good when children smile because children smile on small things always, and children look very nice when they smile, and I also felt very nice by watching children smiling.
Okay, do you think smile gives a good impression to another person?
Yes, smile of course give a good impression to another person, because smiling looks very nice and always creates best impression on the person who is in front of us, and smiling is also necessary for every person.
Okay, you can go on.